Earlier today, I was confronted by one of my chickens. Things did not go as smoothly as I had hoped. I just wanted a few eggs.
I'm looking at the chickens. Yeah, sweetie. Okay, I just need to look at the chickens, see if they got any eggs for me. All right, guys. Let's see if the chickens left any eggs. Something tunneled. I wonder what that was. Looks like we got a little fluffy butt. How you doing? Whoa, hey, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Okay, you're pissed. Okay, you're pissed.